How to reset your PrizePicks account password. Hey everybody, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can reset your PrizePicks account password. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. If you want to reset the password for your PrizePicks account, there are a couple of things that we can do. We simply have to open our browser and go to prizepicks.com, or you can use the PrizePicks app. Basically, you go to the login button that is located at the top right hand side of the screen. Then when you click on the login button, you'll be taken to the page where you can enter your email and password normally, and if you remembered them, you could just click the sign in button to sign in. But since in this case we've happened to forget our password, we will just click on this option that says forgot password. Now just type in the email address under which your PrizePicks account was verified with, and then it will send an email to reset the password and a link. So just click on the send instructions button, and then right over here you can see it says check your email to reset your password. So you could just go ahead and check your email if you've received any email from PrizePicks, and if you have, then you will receive the reset link as well, and when you go to the reset link, you'll be able to choose a new password without having to remember your old password. And this way you'll be able to reset your PrizePicks account password. I hope the video helped you out. If you have any questions, so feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you in the next video.